Okay, so here's an update of the Rubicon after getting the engine reflashed. Okay, we're gonna see if we can hear the delay when this thing goes to shift. I'll have to do it in auto mode since I got to hold the camera. Alright, well hopefully you could hear that and kind of see it, that the motor and machine just hesitate as it goes to shift between first and second, and then second to third, and it just hesitates enough to where your body even kind of lunges forward as it slows down and then shifts and finally gets going again. Again, just different than other DCTs, but that's the update for after having the machine at the dealership and getting the computer reflashed. It didn't really help with that hesitation piece, although the machine does better once it's warmed up. It helped with the awful grinding noise that it had from the beginning when I first got the machine. Once they did the reflash, that went away, so I at least felt better about that. But just with the shifting and everything, it hasn't performed quite the way I've really wanted it to, and so this is the last video of the Rubicon for us. Overall, I still think it's a good machine. If it was shifting properly, I'd have really no issues with it. We've enjoyed it, but we're doing a lot more dirt bike riding now, and so I'm gonna get a 300L, swapping it out. So I look forward to seeing that on the channel in the coming months and put some miles on it. Thanks for watching.